To me, it's like a website is a billboard, right? It's there, and we think like if I build it, they will come, but like as soon as you get started in a business, you know that's not actually true. Like you have to find traffic, but like it's got this menu of options, right? It's like literally there's like a menu that you're like header bar at the top, and it's like you can learn about the people and you can read testimonials or like do all these different things, and there's all these choices, and it's like you're leaving so much control to the consumer or the potential consumer to like do the thing you want them to do. And the reason that I'm obsessed with funnels, and I think a lot of funnel hackers are obsessed with funnels, is it's like, it's still a website, right? Like it's a website, it's on the internet, there's a browser, you like type in a URL, but instead of like having this menu of choices, the way I look at a funnel is like, the consumer has two choices. They're either gonna click the button to do what you want them to do, the next step, or they're gonna leave. And that's okay, because not everybody's gonna convert. Like you're not gonna have 100% conversion on everything, but that's part of how you find your people, and how you, instead of getting them to shop around and then get decision fatigue and just like forget what they were even doing on your website, it's like, no, this is the thing that I want you to hear and the thing that I want you to do, and it just makes it really easy for them to progress along the customer journey that you've designed for them.